How to use Planet Fitness equipment. I'm going to tell you how to use Planet Fitness equipment. If it's your first time, start by asking the front desk for a quick walkthrough. They're used to helping beginners and won't judge, showing which muscles they target and how to sit or stand. Begin with the yellow adjustment knobs. These control the seat height, backrest, and range of motion. Make sure you're comfortable and your posture feels natural before starting your reps. Use lightweight first, especially if you're trying something new. Cardio machines like treadmills, ellipticals, and bikes are super simple. Step on, press quick start, and adjust speed or resistance using the arrow buttons. Don't forget to wipe everything down after use. Planet Fitness is big on cleanliness. And if you're ever unsure, most locations have free fitness training included in your membership. So you can always book a session.